Hello, this is Brian Shannon from AlphaTrends.net. Today is Monday, the 5th of May, 2008. On Wall Street today, we're looking at oil. And what I have on the screen right now is the light crude oil contract over at StockCharts.com. I don't have that symbol on my screen as it's not something I pay to track because I don't trade it. So this contract, though, you can see has been in a solid uptrend, obviously. And just looking down below at the time scale here, you can see this chart begins in June of 2005. So we're looking at about 3 years worth of data here. You can see that last year, about January of '07, the stock kind of completed a head for this little inverted head and shoulders pattern. It broke past that neckline near about 67 or so, and the stock from there really began this real nice pattern of higher highs and higher lows. Unfortunately, I don't have any drawing tools here, but you can see that it's been a very steady pattern of making these nice runs up like here to 80, pulls back, finds support near this prior level of resistance near about 67.5, made this real big run and consolidated in here basically through October and basically till about February of this year. A lot of people were calling this a double top. And again, I harp on double tops a lot because a lot of people call a lot of the things that look like double tops don't get confirmed because they don't actually break down. And this one clearly didn't break down. Instead, that's where I think it caught a lot of short sellers in here in this move near about $85 a barrel, and then just rocketed higher from there. You can see that move from where I think it trapped some short sellers in there. It rocketed from about 87 bucks a share up to 110. Then it pulled back. You saw that the prior level of resistance near this $100 level did act as support, and we saw another move higher up to about 120 or so. Now it's pulling back a little bit, and what we'll do is switch over to a daily time frame here again at StockCharts.com and take a look at this daily activity. And you can see in here where that $100 a barrel was acting as resistance and then became support right in here in March and April. Once it was able to clear these levels here at about $110 a barrel, sorry for moving that around so much, but that was back in about first week of April. It cleared that $100 a barrel, and from there it began this next move higher. Now the oil last week was down a little bit, but you can see Friday was a strong day as it had about 4 days of pullback. We've got a rising 10, 20, and 50-day moving average, so there's no reason to think this trend is over. Right now, if you're long oil, I think that 110 is going to be an important level going forward, breaking below 110. Then perhaps it heads back down to $100 a barrel. But for now, there's a solid uptrend intact in oil, and it doesn't, more people go out of business trying to pick tops and selling short at the wrong time. And trying to attempt to pick bottoms. You're better off finding a low-risk entry into an established trend, and clearly there's an established uptrend in oil.